Hi, in this video we will discuss about the workspace permissions in Power BI service. Workspace permissions are also called, we can say, in Power BI service are assigning the roles. There are the four roles available in the Power BI service. First one is the admin, member, contributor and viewer. In this image you can see that how from where you get the permissions. Link the workspace access step 1. Share your report with the direct access and then go over to the workspace where the reports or dashboards contain and then you can assign the users that which users you grant access. Please see in the image. Step number 2, that then while granting the access, then your second thing is that you have to manage the permissions, provide users the permissions. Step number 3, enter the email address to give the access in report level. Thank you.